They call me Justin. Justin Trouble.
Captain, you're drunk!
Your powers of observation are still as sharp as ever, Bosun Tim.
Captain, you cannot be in charge of a vessel!
Are you saying you're thinking about a little mutiny?
I'm doing more than thinking! Shit! It's time to warp the plank, Captain Baxter. I already took the bullets from your gun. You would have noticed if you weren't drunk. As a skunk. The salty deserves better than you. That's the name of the boat.
Oh, I
know. I agree.
You really?
I agree with them.
You drink more rum than I do.
I know, but I can take it.
And he's now the captain. Captain's gotta have standards. We put the plank at the front of a ship. So you can walk over, we can run you right over. Your time has come. Do you have any last words?
You were my best friend. And I remember when we tried to, make a go of it as honest sailors, but no one would take in two working class boys. And so we had to turn to piracy, and I thought we'd be together forever. You. I never liked you. Always interrupting, but I still took you in. When we found you at port, you were starving, eating rats, and I put you on this ship. And I don't remember doing it, but you told me that I did because I was drunk. Being a captain isn't about organization. Ah, the boat's running over me!
I am the squid of Limbo. You are not dead, but not alive. You are in between, in the in-between place with me, the squid, Limbo squid.
Oh, God, maybe I do drink too much.
Go on!
All right.
Who are you? It starts easy.
I was going to say I'm the captain, but I'm not the captain. I'm a man who was betrayed by his friends.
Correct. Riddle 2. Who are you from a different perspective? Riddle 3. What is the colour of the owl?
Is there no more information to this riddle?
That's all the information you get.
Brown.
Correct, yes.
Did we brought one with us on board, didn't we?
Yeah, there's an optician downstairs.
Incredible.
There's also a Starbucks.
Yeah.
And,
so what do you think? Me?
What about you?
Capitano. What do you think?
Oh, I see. You think you've got what it takes to be captain, do you?
A few moments later.
Spin it again, please.
We could wait to do swords tonight.
We'll do pushing at lunchtime.
Pushing?
Pushing at lunchtime.
Or a pillow fight? No, pushing's good.
All right. 1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5.
Oh, I know they're struggling without me. They're a bunch of idiots, but I love them. Oh, I'm sober. Oh, that's awful. I'm not French, Captain Davy. Classic. God, it's really warm here. Nice that you're back.
You know how to speak. You are house trained then?
I can be as tame or as wild as you'd like.
Stay back.
Okay. Hey, look, last sip because I know my
Then
crew.
swim, man.
I don't know
Made
where-
of the flesh of sin, with a sausage of devilry below.
Sausage of devilry, that's a good one. I'm going to use that. Listen, love. I don't mean you any harm.
You better have a gun.
I do,
I am
but
not your love. We shall feed and clothe you, and then you will be on your way.
you have anything to drink? Do you girls like to party?
Don't do that.
Don't let-
I can still stab you.
You can stab me. I'm fun.
Find the man. We shall feed and clothe him, and then he will be on his way. That's Jessica. She's
8, 9, 10.
10.
We're too far away to push now. I have every game ready to go at a moment's notice. Twister.
You want to play Twister?
I've heard that you're mighty good at handstands. Lads, we cannot turn to violence just because the captain's gone. I will spin the wheel for ye. Right leg, yellow. And now you. Left hand, green.
Spin it again, please!
Right leg, blue.
Oh, thank fuck.
I could do this all day, lad.
That was absolutely delicious. You ladies really know how to cook. It's really nice.
Everything you say feels loaded, man. Tell me of your ship.
It's called the Salty Bitch. It's,
Of course it is. What man named it that? What disgusting man would come up with that for a name of a ship?
like a dog that's not been trained properly. Salty Bitch. Not saying women are dogs.
There's so many things you can see. There are mountains against the sky. There's seas where whales are safe. Buildings leap up. There are towns and civilizations. Yes, this island is beautiful. There's so much wonderful world to explore. I love the sea.
That was beautiful. You make the world sound better than the one I used to know.
Oh, you want? You're not a
I was not born on Lesbos, for obvious reasons. Return to your men. Are you prepared to do the work on yourself?
Calm down.
Maybe I will kill him.
I say we feed him to the sharks.
If we feed him to the sharks, we can't eat him, like you said before.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend, but I don't come to your island and tell you how to live your lives. So I'll
You
take...
literally just did. You just did. You just did.
You don't understand, love.
Oh, man, you will leave our island this instant or you will be fed to the sharks.
I'll get on that boat you built me.
Lucky you. Go, now. And be glad that you are allowed to leave. I should say the shark will probably follow you. He's a land shark, so you should get in the boat quickly.
Hey.
Whoa!
So intimidating.
Genuinely threatening, I know.
Listen.
I may be small.
We can talk!
She can, yes.
I have been modified.
Do you?
All I would say to you, man, is when you return to your fellow man, try to treat them as we have treated you. Although there are disagreements, there can be peace.
Right. So I should just
We do an arm thing.
Oh, please do apologise. Thank you, ladies. You both look beautiful tonight.
Excuse me.
Right leg!
Indigo!
Left arm chartreuse!
Chartreuse, I don't even know what that is.
You know, boys, as your captain, I just want you to do the best you can.
That's the captain.
Hey!
What are you talking about?
Well, obviously, I will be next in line as captain.
We were playing Twister to work out who was going to be out of us.
What the fuck do you think you were doing that for?
I thought you just didn't get on.
We walked, like, out of the ship, almost.
You mean out of the extensions,
Yeah,
eh?
trying to push each other. We'd played every game.
I was second in command.
I was his best friend.
I was here.
Right. Well, if they're following the course that I was going to do, they're going to be in the Caribbean just a couple of days. Oh, that island was fun. Nice ladies. Oh, no!
So, what have you learnt so far?
I've learned that women don't like it if you call them beautiful or compliment that they can cook. I've learned that I'm much better at thinking when I'm sober. And I learned that I think my crew need an apology.
Some good lessons there. Oh yes, one riddle. Why did the bat shit?
Because he had to guano.
Correct. There's more if you follow your heart in the right direction.
Follow my heart. How long have you been doing this?
I'm still on probation.
Okay, I should be the captain. 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 I should be the captain.
What the hell?
We're being wolf whistled. No.
It's the captain. Daddy's home.
One of us is a captain here, but it's not you. So what are you doing here? Eh?
I came to apologize.
What?
I'm
Apologize?
sober.
Wait, you came to apologize to us?
Basically.
How's he doing that?
That's okay.
None of us are that sober.
Yeah, you know, I did a lot of learning with those ladies, mainly at the threat of a spear. But I realized that, you know, I wasn't taking this seriously. I wasn't taking you seriously.
I'm gonna spin the wheel. You're gonna put your hands where I say.
That would not go down well on Lesbos.
Left hand and right hand on the wheel. Welcome back, Captain.
Boys, I've done a lot of growing. I've seen a lot of weird things. I've tangled with the Limbo squid. I've met the lovely ladies of Lesbos. And the weirdest shark I've ever seen. Here on the salty beach, I feel home. And I guess I finally answered the question. What should we do with a drunken sailor? What should we do with a drunken sailor? What should we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning.
Wait, this isn't my outro.